In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Spotify search on iOS not working. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, if you're using Wi-Fi, give a fresh restart to your router. With this, your problem might be fixed. If not, force close the Spotify app and relaunch it. This alone often fixes search bugs. Next thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Then search for app update. Navigate to App Store, search for the app Spotify. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, launch Spotify. Now log out of your account, go to settings and privacy, click on log out, confirm it. This refreshes your session and can fix issues where search results stop loading. Now you can log in back. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete Spotify from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Spotify app, select the option remove app, click on delete app and click on delete. Launch App Store, search for Spotify and install it. Finally, if none of these work, it could be a temporary Spotify server issue. In that case, you'll need to wait until Spotify resolves it on their side. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.